Every ailment, the root or the origin of it can be traced back to the energy body. Because of an imbalance in the aura or the chakras, the person falls sick. Now, the core philosophy of pranic healing is to rectify this very energetic imbalance. When this happens, a person can experience a balanced mind-body-spirit equation. Hi, my name is Srishti and I am a healer by profession. I have been practicing pranic healing for the last 15 years now. Pranic healing is an extremely sophisticated energy healing modality developed by Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui. It started somewhere in the 80s and today has its presence in over 120 countries and counting as we speak. It is based on two very simple laws of nature. The first one being that our bodies have an innate capacity to heal themselves. Now, in order to remain alive and healthy, our body needs some kind of fuel. This fuel is known as life force energy or prana or chi. So this is the second law that pranic healing is based on. So everything is energy and everything is dependent on energy in order to remain alive and healthy. All of us are surrounded by a luminous energy field which is known as the energy body, or very fashionably it's called the aura. Now this aura is actually the blueprint of our physical body. This means that my physical body is molded or fashioned after the aura, and the relationship between the two is so intimate that what affects one affects the other. Since we are healing the energy body of a person, whatever manipulations are being done on the energy body. So there is no requirement for the person to be sitting in front of me throughout the healing session. Whether they're in front of me or they could be sitting in the US or the UK or any part of the globe, it does not really matter. As long as they're receptive, the healing energies continue to get passed on to them. Everyone can be a healer. All you need is an open mind and a willingness to learn a new skill and some patience to practice it. That's that. So pranic healing can heal a wide range of ailments, beginning with simple flus and fevers, migraine headaches, more severe ailments like heart problems, arthritis, autoimmune disorders. Also it can help us heal stress, anxiety, depression, and of late it has also helped in the healing of a lot of COVID cases. In the last 1.5–2 years, in fact, now we have been seeing a lot of phenomenal testimonials for people who have tested COVID positive and they've taken a couple of healing sessions. The rate of recovery has been miraculous. It's been very fast. It is not intended to replace traditional medicine. Rather, it is intended to complement it. So the objective of traditional medicine is to heal the physical body, and the objective of pranic healing is to heal the energy body. Now the smarter approach is when you have an integrated approach, so you take your medication and you take a healing simultaneously. The end result of this is that the rate of recovery gets hastened drastically. I was in my engineering college when I got introduced to pranic healing through a sister's friend, and for me it was very exciting because the word energy is what I had only read of in my physics textbooks. And someone was actually talking about it. I said, how is this possible? What is this energy this person is talking of?
My mom had a hole in her retina and doctor told us immediately you have to go for a surgery. But along with the retina hole, she had to be undergone for the cataracts. So he said after 2 months of cataracts, we'll operate her for the retina. During these 2 months, I gave her treatment. And to my surprise, after the 2 months, doctor told us hole is there, but her vision is perfect. So now there's no need for retina surgery.
We also landed up healing people who've had cancer, and a lot of the times we've seen them recover completely out of their cancer to the extent that to date they've not had a relapse or of their ailment. So there's been a massive contribution that I have seen. Healing has played as a role in their life.
Pranic healing really helps you not only for your physical pains, but it also helps you for your emotional pains, like people who have a lot of anger issue, stress, or they can't deal with low self-esteem issues. It helps you deal with it when it helps you remove those negative thoughts and emotions that you have towards your own self or how you see life, and heal yourself for that. It makes you look at life and your own self a better person.
When I see the people coming and with the pain, and when after the healing I see the relief on their face, calmness on their face, smile on their face, that kicks me. No, you have to do this.
All of us complain that, oh, life is like this and life is like that and nothing changes. The question is, maybe sometimes something doesn't really need to change. All that needs to change is your energy. The question is, what are you doing to change your energy? Now think of it, with healing, you have a tool present in front of you. Are you willing to use it?